Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great and staying safe. Thank you for stopping by. If you are just tuning in for the first time, my name is Henrietta Onyemere. Welcome to Treasure Kitchen channel. In today's video we are going to be cooking plantain and yam porridge. Yes, green plantain, unripe plantain with yam. We're making porridge. So here I have peeled and washed and sliced the plantains and also the yam. I've cut the yam into tiny chunks or smaller chunks. We get right into it. Here I've added oil in the pot to just heat it up, and then add onions and some other ingredients. The palm oil has dissolved, so I will now add onions to it. Fry the onions, add some garlic powder, seasoning cube, and some crayfish, and fry it a bit, then add water to it. After adding water, I'll now pour in the yam and allow to cook for a little before I add the plantains. Here I just added some smoked mackerel fish and dry fish, a little dry catfish to it. Then add water and continue the cooking. Add the yam and continue. Add some salt also. I will allow the yam to cook a little before adding the plantains. The yam has been boiling for about 7-10 minutes now, so it is time to add the plantains to cook along with it. I'm doing this because the yam is strong. If the yam is not strong, and if I didn't cut the yams that big, I'll add two of them together at the same time. Sometimes I cook that way also. I didn't add pepper at the starting of this, so I'm adding some pepper now. I have here some fresh pepper which I've blended or chopped. I'll stir everything together and then cover, add more water to it, and cover it, allow it to cook very well. Taste for salt and add more if needed. That fresh pepper I added wasn't enough, so I'm adding some dry pepper. While that is cooking, we have some scent leaf which is already washed. We'll now slice it. That's my niece doing justice to that. It will add more taste, flavor, color to this delicious dish. So this has been cooking for some time now, and you check the yam, it is well cooked. The plantain is also well cooked. So the next thing we'll do is to add the scent leaf, and our food will be ready. And here we have our green plantains and the yam porridge ready. Unripe plantain and yam porridge. I guess some of you didn't know that you can combine these two together. Try it, you will love it. It is so delicious. This is one of my best foods. I love eating it. I can finish half of this pot. Try it, you will love it. Try this combination, you will love it. And it is very nutritious. You already know the benefits of unripe plantain. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed, please click the red button there and subscribe. Help me share this video, share to your friends, your family, your community. May God bless you all. Love you all. Please try and keep staying safe. Bye bye. See you in our next video.